Alright, hello everybody. Today we're here at a Istobal MX22 car wash. As you can see, I've covered the car with soap just to see if this machine can get it all off. No, mainly because the car was really dirty. I'm going to take it through an AOK Dyno wash next, and then I'll be taking it through a PDQ Pro Touch Icon. So, we'll see how it does. Right now we're just watching this Corolla in front of us get washed. I'm going to go ahead and wait to pay. There's your wash options right there. I am in my friend's Honda Accord today. As you know, my car cannot go through a car wash, an in-bay car wash, without getting me soaked. So, well, my friend gave me the okay to use his car. So I said, great, can I wash it? And he said, go ahead. So I'm going to wash it a few times. Now, I've only ever seen the Mark 7s do that, where the brushes go back over the car. Must have gotten a $3 express. Well, I don't know. We'll find out. This is my first Istobal machine, by the way. Today's the day of firsts for me. This will be my first AOK Dyno wash and my first PDQ with brushes. Oh, dryers are started. So we're gonna wait till it says pull forward. Oh, there he goes. And then I'll pull in. Well, first I gotta pay. So we'll do that. Alright, add $9. Get my card put away, and in we go. Up. Ooh, tri-foam already? How about the $9 Ultimate Wash? This is a Dynamite car wash at Golflinks in Wilmot. Feels like it's having a tough time profiling the car. I feel like I'm getting pushed around. Oh, interesting. this thing's pushing me around. I'm gonna turn on the car. It's starting to get hot in here. This thing is so aggressive, it folded in my mirrors. It's probably going to be clear coat. Well, there we go. The Dryer Pros, never heard of them. Dryers are doing okay, not great. But yeah, there it is. The Istobal MX-22. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.